Yo guys, welcome back to another video. Hope you guys are having a lovely day. The wind issue with this screen is fixed for me personally. It's fixed for me. The only thing was the really bad rattling that you get with these. Now I'll show a picture now of some heat shrink, and what I've done is I've taken this mechanism apart. It's quite easy. So there was the picture. I'll leave that picture up for a few seconds. Okay, so now the thing is with this screen is the mechanism's quite hard to get to. You'd have to take this whole front assembly apart, and I don't really want to do that. So you've got some little kind of press fit pins, and what you do is you get a screwdriver, flathead screwdriver, and you put it on the end and you push outwards. They're pressed inwards, so you've got to press them outwards, and they're serrated, so they grip the plastic. Push those out, you get the mechanism. You've got these little pins here. Now you can give them a little bit of a squeeze and bend them to make the mechanism a bit tighter. As you can see, that's a lot tighter now, this mechanism. It's actually kind of squeezing it together, but I've got this heat shrink here, so it makes it quite hard to push down, right? But if you can see, there's no rattling anymore. There's no side-to-side play anymore. It's absolutely solid. I cannot move it at all. And that was just literally just normal regular super glue. I don't know how long this is going to last, because it goes up and down a lot. But it's a lot tighter. The whole mechanism in there is a lot tighter. And it just doesn't make any noise. So yeah, you just got to glue some heat shrink along this runner on this side and this side just to pack it out. And yeah, literally it is solid. I can't move it at all. My whole bike's moving. See that? That's not making any noises or anything. So yeah, hopefully this video has helped you out and kind of figure out how to solve this annoying issue with the rattling. And then just a bonus clip, I finally fitted a USB port on the bike. It was a genuine Yamaha one, so USB charger, genuine Yamaha. There's the part number if you guys want to get it. It was pretty easy to fit. You just need to take this side panel off, and then there's a connector. You just need to plug it in and make the wiring all neat and lovely. But yeah, so I finally did that, and I finally sorted out this annoying rattling screen. So I hope this video helped you guys out, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.